It doesn't take an entire, team of software engineers to design a hiring and onboarding app. It takes someone to look into the laws and regulations, to do the legwork, to understand what they need to do, and then to talk to their team and see what is going to make their lives easier, to create something really beautiful. My name is Alexis Bovolino. I'm the HR director for Burgatory and for Shortys. These are two restaurant groups in the greater Pittsburgh area. I love helping people. That's my passion. So that's why I went into HR, is that I want to be able to help folks achieve their career goals. I want to impact someone's day every day in a positive way. When I came on the team in 2019, we were having a challenge hiring. I worked with them to find pain points in their processes so that we could help achieve a better process moving forward. The goal was to give our team visibility even when they weren't in the restaurants to those candidates as well. And at the time, we didn't have a software solution or any cloud-based kind of system to allow them to do that. We try to find a solution as a Google workspace that could integrate with Google Sheets. So that was actually how I came across Glide, was that it was an app that was driven from spreadsheets and other cloud-based solutions, and something that I could really integrate seamlessly with the reporting and the form responses that I needed to collect. Working with the restaurant team was really important to the design of this app. In order to get feedback, I would give them a working model, and then I would ask them to test it, react to it, and then we would make changes from what they were seeing and what they wanted the app to do. We've actually hired 727 people. We had 3,995 folks apply through the Glide process, so through SureHire and these apps. Basically, we hire 10 folks per month, per location. And prior to Glide, we were hiring maybe 2 or 3. What I love about Glide is it does not take much. It just takes a little education, some time management skills, and the ability to have a vision and see it through. And you can really create any solution to the problems that you're facing.